They're becoming increasingly popular with new uses for them popping up all the time. We're talking about drones.
And I remember the day perfectly. We're driving home on the highway. We were talking, and he said something like, "Hey Daniel, I got this idea of I want to teach kids how to fly drones." I'm the guy like in the passenger seat, just like, hey, yeah, it's a great idea. We're going along in the summer. We really didn't know how this was going to turn out. We're just seeing all these kids sign up.
There's a drone camp, and I was like, what? I want to go.
I thought I wouldn't make friends, but that changed.
These are the propellers. This is the airframe. This is the battery right here.
We get calls all the time. I want to send my kid to drone camp, but my kid's in a wheelchair. I want to send my kid to drone camp, but she has cerebral palsy. I want to send my kid to drone camp, but he's autistic.
And this is something that is revolutionizing what kids can do in the summer for free time. And what kid doesn't want to fly a $1,000 drone, take pictures in the sky, race them.
And now we're giving kids the opportunity to explore, to innovate, to create, and to fly.
So what are you going to do now that you have all this information about drones? Are you going to...
I'm going to take it with me. I'm going to keep it in my head.
And someday...
I'm going to be a pilot.